I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.
Ayan, hello, magandang hapon po. Ay, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si Pamela Padilla or Lady in Red ng LOL family. Ayan, hello nak, ayan, happy birthday and happy 23rd birthday sa iyo. 23 years old ka na, sana magkajowa ka na nak. And meron na. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana masaya ka sa araw na to, and salamat at nakilala ka namin kasi 'di ba napaka sarap mong kasama. Sumasabay ka sa lahat ng mga kalokohan namin at biruan, kaya nagustuhan ka namin kasi totoong-totoo yung pinapakita mo sa amin, kaya sana wag magbago yan. And stay maganda lang, and relax lang lagi, kahit laging natatalo tayo sa laro. Relax lang tayo lagi, sana matagal pa ang samahan natin lahat. LOL family o CG family, sana manatiling close ang family nyo at family ko. Ayan, salamat sa inyo at sa akin kayo napunta. Napakaswerte ko sa inyo talaga, kaya salamat sa inyo lahat, and happy birthday. yun lang, ano ba yan? Happy birthday.
Sabi nila, batiin daw kita. Kay bully ka naman. Happy birthday, Ate Pam. Thank you kasi kahit na minsan masungit ka sa akin, joke lang. Minsan madalas naasar mo ko, pero alam ko ganyan ka lang talaga. Enjoy your day at happy birthday. Sana wag kang magbago. Sana baguhin mo yung pagiging bully mo, ha. Minsan kasi, madalas kasi, it's hurt, Basta happy birthday, enjoy your day, at good health, at more blessing to come. Love you.
Yun, happy birthday, Ate Pam. Wish you good health and stay beautiful. Thank you for being my kambal. Tinuring mo ako bilang kapatid. Hindi man tayo magkadugo, hindi man tayo nagkikita sa personal, pero pinakita mo sa akin kung paano ituring ng bilang kapatid. Yan, happy birthday, Ate Pam. I love you. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. Diba? Gagi.
Hello, Ate Pam. I just wanna say you a happy birthday. I'm so very thankful na andyan ka lagi as a friend, at hindi lang as a friend, para ko na ring ate. Sana maligaya ka sa arawan mo ngayon. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Pams. Good health and more birthdays to come. God bless you always. Happy birthday again, Ate Pams. I love you.
Hello, Ate. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan. Nag-birthday ka pa. Wish ko sa'yo sana lagi kang safe, more success, and good health sa'yo at sa family. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita as my ate. Thank you at nakilala ko kayo sa'yo. Sana ko, ay, meron pala. Yung pagiging maldita, bawas-bawasan. Charot. And sana, pinaka-last wish ko is yung everyday kang lilipad, lalo na sa scratch. Kasi, the more you chances of winning, the more you gives for us. Love you.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na.